Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Jose Rayo Valenzuela. Please welcome the hard-hitting knockout artist, Edwin La Granada de los Santos. William Foster III, that was his one loss.
Oh, now he got hurt. De los Santos got clipped by Valenzuela. Strains him.
Yeah. Oh!
Raging now, Valenzuela's hurt. Down he goes, up against the ropes.
The most anticipated fight this month, it's the rematch between Jose Rayo Valenzuela and Edwin Delos Santos, aka El Granada. If you remember their first fight, De Los Santos pulled off the upset. He beat Valenzuela by knockout.
Wow. They're gonna stop it.
So now Valenzuela wants revenge. He wants to prove that De Los Santos' win was just a fluke. So what do you think? Will Valenzuela get his payback this time? Or will it be the same story as before, with Valenzuela asleep on the canvas?
Up against the ropes.
He's gonna get DQ'd if he keeps doing that.
But before we get into this exciting rematch, let's watch some of the fight highlights from both of their careers first.
He said he wanted to fight from the outside, pick his shots.
Valenzuela wants to not reach with his left hand, though. Oh, look at him go.
Valenzuela's looking to do more than that here in the first round.
Edwin de los Santos, Edwin de los Santos, un prospecto, Los Santos. Señores, en él, República Dominicana tiene un gran representante, se lo advierto, y tiene poca pelea. Observen, ¡ey!
And Colbert along the ropes. It's not a good spot for him.
Get him to open up that jab to the chest. Exactly what's kept him in this fight. Because he's not so close.
Colbert should be 0-2 at 130.
And down goes Colbert.
That sort of ushers him in as to say, hey, guess what? This kid is a bud.
Failed on those tests because they...
Welcome to the big time, Jose Valenzuela!
Comes in the southpaw there, and the doors open here at T-Mobile Arena. A good shot there by Valenzuela, and he's heard all the piped-in crowd, but that has not stopped these guys from going to war. Beautiful body shot by Valenzuela.
Uppercut, he's going to the body, straight left hand, looping left hand to the head, which is what put Strayhorn down, was a little sweep left hand.
Look at Valenzuela there, just like going to work, and you saw that three of us.
Yeah, thanks, Brian. I mean, again, Strayhorn got the call for this fight on. He's not giving up. He has over 100 amateur fights, and he's actually 1-1 in his fights with Robert Easter when they fought amateurs. There's a
It's over now. Stepping.
Excelentemente bien porque está tirando, saliendo, se sale, luego entonces pega el hook en lo...
Perfectamente.
Wow, muy buena.
Jugando al counter. Está buscando.
23, so that's a good series of punches that's getting there.
Oh, down goes Clark, he's out! Oh, wow. What a left here by Valenzuela. Oh, he's not getting up. It's over.
It's all over, didn't
The other side of that is Valenzuela. Yes, you run your hands. Yes, you've got a lot of power. You got to pace yourself, and you got to try to find openings. And most importantly, for young fighters, stay patient. The patience that Valenzuela has. You see him bouncing a little bit now. I'm not saying that he's got to bounce, but he's got to find it. Look at that. He's got to find a way around, like that right there. You saw that after he threw his shots. Oh, that's a good job.
Well, yeah, that was a little bit of theatrics.
So he's got to do this right here. He's got to stay in control and not get greedy like that right there.
Now they're in the pocket.
there after you punch.
And up strong here in the 10th.
Yeah, Valenzuela starting off strong, but look, here's the thing. They don't get greedy. And here's something that they need to learn moving forward. I'm going to say...
Jose and Rayo Valenzuela.
He fought William Foster III. That was his one loss.
Whoa, now he's hurt. De Los Santos got clipped by Valenzuela, and there's an answer as he puts him down.
And that's the thing about Valenzuela. He's tough.
Wow.
Round 2.
It's going to be hard to get into that one. Because I usually get into my foot. So for that one, though, I don't know. These tickets,
Come on, Ryan, you can't play around this round. You gotta win it. Let's go fight.
where at though? Yeah, but where are you sitting? Yeah? Nice.
Ramos.
You gotta close, Ryan.
Caleb, my coldest white boy in the game.
Let's go, Ryan. Get close.
Hell yeah.
Vamos, Rico.
You got Tyson Fury. Moving up, white boy. I like Joey. This is a huge fight for him. Joey you gotta beat him. All him. You gotta hit this motherfucker. All that walking me down, thinking you gonna do pressure type.
Chop that motherfucker down. You gotta know